Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling file sharing on both computers. This gives each machine permission to see shared folders. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network or link them with an Ethernet cable for speed and reliability. Next, pick one folder to share and set simple permissions, read or read/write, so you control access. Once done, note the computer name or IP address. You'll use that to locate the shared folder from the other machine shortly. Now access the shared folder from the receiving computer. Open File Explorer and type \\computer name or \\IP to reach the host device. If you'll reuse this link, map it as a network drive so it appears like a local drive letter. Transfer files by dragging or copy/paste. For many files, copying preserves structure and avoids permissions issues. Make sure transfer is complete before disconnecting. Monitoring progress helps prevent partial copies and makes it clear if you need to retry any files. To finish, unmap the network drive or tighten permissions so sharing stops when you no longer need it, preventing accidental access. If something goes wrong, first verify both computers are on the same network profile, private, and check firewall rules and shared folder credentials. These are the most common blockers. If problems persist, try a simple fallback. Copy the data to an external drive or upload to a cloud service and download.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.